Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video I am going to explain about the Swasthik pattern. How can we print this Swasthik pattern? In the last video I explained clearly about reverse swastik, how can we display, and I asked you to try to print the Swasthik pattern, right? See, those who unable to print that Swasthik pattern, please follow this video, it will be very easy. First of all, in a Swasthik pattern, first we need to display this line. See, so what is that row number? Is 1. So I equals to 1, first row, but the j value I don't want to print at 1, 2, 3, 4, I just want to start from 5 to 9. So and j is greater than or equals to 5. Is greater than or equals to 5. It starts from the 5 up to 9 it will print. Now next I want to print this line. So what is this column? It's a fifth column. So we are displaying that j equals to 5. J equals to 5. Next I want to display this one. How can we display? So what is that row value? It's 9. I equals to 9 and j I should stop at 5 only. At 6, 7, 8, 9 I don't want to print. So j is less than or equals to 5. Next I want to display this one. It is a fifth row. The entire row I need to display. So I equals to 5. Next I want to display this one. How can we display? So what is this column? Right, this is the first column. J equals to 1. J equals to 1, but I don't want to print when the values of I 6, 7, 8, 9. I just want to print only up to 5. So I is less than or equals to 5. The next one I just want to display this one, right? So which column it is? Which column? So that is j equals to 9. It's a 9th column, but I want to print only when I value 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. When it is 1, 2, 3, 4, no need to print. So when I greater than or equals to 5. So whenever we are writing all these conditions one by one here in the if block, because we know that if you want to display that structure, we need to use the nested for loop, where outer loop is representing the rows, inner loop is representing the columns. So here all the conditions one by one we need to display using the OR operator. All conditions, 6 conditions whenever you display, then automatically that Swasthik pattern will print. By writing all these conditions here, if you run the code, that Swasthik will print. Please try all these things and subscribe the channel. Thank you.